Guys, meron na naman tayong parcel. Oh, yan oh. Dumating na naman oh. Isi yung parcel natin oh. Yun oh. Yun oh. Tayo. Ayan, ito yung parcel natin. Ayan. Ito guys eh. Hair color. Galing kay TikTok. Ang pangalan ng kanyang brand is Yu-Gi-Oh! Herbal hair color. Hair dye. Ayan guys. So yun guys. Dito na. Thank you. Yeah, ganda oh. Still pang hair color with my wife and me. So yun guys. Pagka dito na kayo order sa akin. Yan tayo nito guys. So thank you. God bless. Thank you TikTok. Ayun oh. Stay legit.